guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. In this video, I am going to share with you how I made my very own homemade poke bowl. So I was in Las Vegas a couple years ago and I stumbled upon this restaurant that made sushi burritos and poke bowls. I am a big sushi lover, a big sushi fan, so I decided that I would attempt to make my very own poke bowl at home. So if this is something that you are interested in, I'm pretty sure that you will like this recipe. I hope that you get out there and you try to make it for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and share this video with all your family and friends. See you next time. Bye.
Hi guys, I am going to start by putting this white rice that I cooked into this bowl. You want to make sure that you rinse your rice a couple times before you actually cook it to remove some of the starch. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some rice vinegar to my rice, and this is just going to give it some flavor. I added about 1/4 of a cup. And it was a little too strong, so I did add some more rice to my bowl off camera. Now you just want to go ahead and stir that rice vinegar in with the rice until all of the rice vinegar is absorbed. It's really hot. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar. I also added about 1/2 cup, but I think that was a little bit too sweet. So I would suggest that you add the sugar based on your own personal taste buds. Next time I'll probably add a little less. And then I also went ahead and added a pinch of salt. And here I am just combining and stirring everything together. I'm going to sit this to the side to let it cool, but that's just kind of how it looks. You kind of want to have that sticky sushi rice texture, so that's what I was going for. Here off camera I went ahead and diced up some tomatoes, some baby carrots, some cream cheese, some romaine lettuce, and some cucumbers. Now I'm gonna try and attempt to make one of those like spicy aioli sauces that you always see at the sushi places. So I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. I'm pretty sure this will also work with mayo. Gonna go ahead and put that in a bowl. I'm adding some Sriracha sauce. I added about 1 tablespoon, but again, I would also caution you to just add this for your taste buds of how spicy you would like this sauce to be. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there and mix that up. And then also I'm adding some soy sauce. And for this I added maybe just about 1/2 tablespoon, and I think that was just perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there and then whisk this all together with my little miniature whisk I have there. I really love using that little thing. It really mixes really well, little sauces and stuff like this. And you just want to mix it until you get it well combined, and that's kind of what it looks like and the consistency of it. Next I'm going to go ahead and show you the smoked salmon that I used. And then I also used some imitation crab meat and some store-bought seaweed salad. I'm going to go ahead and start making my bowl. So I've added my rice to the bottom of the bowl. I am going ahead and added on top of that some of the romaine lettuce. And guys, you can feel free to use whatever lettuce of choice. I pretty much like every lettuce except iceberg. I go for the more green lettuce. I'm adding those cucumbers there that I sliced up. I actually peeled them and then sliced them and then cut them into the little halves like this. And then I also cut up a few baby carrots. I'm going to add that on there. Some of these yellow cherry tomatoes. And now I'm going to go in with those salmon slices. Guys, if you have a grocery store in your town that sells sushi grade salmon, I will highly suggest that, because you'll probably get a lot more for your dollar when you do it that way. Now I'm going to head and add that imitation crab meat right there on the side. And then I love cream cheese in my sushi bowls and in my sushi in general. So I am just adding some of that cream cheese that I sliced up. And I'm going to go right on top of that cream cheese with some of the seaweed salad that I have right here. It is already looking so good and so fresh. Now for the final touches, I am just going to go ahead and add on top of that the spicy aioli sauce that I made. And guys, this is the final product. Look at that. It looks so good and so fresh. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.